So welcome students. So in this question you are asked to plot the given regions in the Cartesian system. So the first region is 6x plus 2y greater than or equal to 31. So whenever you have a linear inequality, this is an example of linear inequality. Linear inequality. So whenever you have a linear inequality, first you plot the linear equality, that is 6x plus 2y is equal to 31. That is the first step that you do. So don't directly think about inequality. First you plot 6x plus 3y is equal to 31. You know that this is a straight line which is very easy to plot. So assume that you have plotted this straight line 6x plus 2y is equal to 31. So to plot a straight line, the most easy method is, so try to find the x-intercept and y-intercept. So if you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 31 by 2. So this is 0 comma 31 by 2. And if you put y is equal to 0, x is 31 by 6. So this is 31 by 6 comma 0. So you have two intercepts, and if you join the intercepts you get the line. So now once you get this line, to plot the region corresponding to inequality, you have to either go on to one side or to the other side. So one side it will be greater than, the other side it will be less than. So to find which side you have greater than, so you just need to check whether you have to go towards the origin or away from the origin. So you can see that if you have a straight line divides the Cartesian space into two parts. They can be characterized as something like this. One part is the part containing the origin and the second part is the part not containing the origin. So now you just need to substitute origin in this inequality. If you put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, you are getting 0 greater than or equal to 31. Can you see that this is false? Can you see that this is false? That means origin is not satisfying this inequation. So you have to go to the side which does not contain the origin. So the solution of this is the region which is not containing the origin. So this, the whole region on this side of the line satisfies this inequality. So now if you go to the second, so 2x plus 5y is less than or equal to 10. This is also a linear inequality. So first let us plot the linear equality. 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. Straight line is very easy to plot. Let us assume that this is a straight line. Now this straight line also divides the Cartesian space into Cartesian plane into two parts. One part is the part containing the origin, the other part is the part not containing the origin. So you have to check which side you have to go to have this inequality. So the easiest method is you just substitute the origin. So if you substitute the origin, 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 10. So 0 less than or equal to 10. You see that this inequation is valid. Yes, 0 less than or equal to 10, the inequation is valid. Hence 0 comma 0 satisfies this inequation. So you have to go on the side containing the origin. So you have to go towards the origin because origin satisfies this inequality. All the points on the side of the origin satisfies the inequality. Now let us go to the third one. 8x plus 3y plus 6 is greater than 0. This time you don't have an equal to. So if you draw the line 8x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0, that is this line. So in this inequality, this line does not come. So you will have only points on this side or this side. So you have to go to one of these sides. But this line is not satisfying this inequality because there is no equality. So that's why whenever there is no equality, we draw the line with a dashed line. We draw a dashed line, not a complete line, not a solid line. So now once we have this, even this line divides the Cartesian plane into two parts, one part containing the origin, the other part not containing the origin. So to see whether you have to go towards the origin or away from the origin, just need to put origin in this. So 0 plus 6 is greater than 0, which is true. That means origin is satisfying. So every point on the side of the origin satisfies this inequation. So you have to go towards the origin. So this is the required region. And this straight line does not come in the solution set, hence we draw it with a dashed line. Lastly, you have x greater than 2. So here also you don't have equality. So first we draw x is equal to 2 with a dashed line, and then you have to go towards the side where x is greater than 2. So here also you have a side containing the origin, a side not containing the origin. If you put 0 in the place of x, you get 0 greater than 2, which is false. That means origin does not satisfy this inequation. So you have to go to the side not containing the origin. That is, you have to go to the other side. So this is the region corresponding to x greater than 2. Thank you.